Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an fact page or FAQ page to your Wix website. So let's get started. So in here, I have here my Wix website editor. Now just click on this status and menu. Then from in there, just click on the site menu and then click on add page. Under there, it will open a new page. Now from in there, you can actually just choose anything or some preset booklet right here. But for me, I'll choose black page. Now for this one, it will open the black page right here. And then let's just rename it as FAQ. And then click on done. Now in here, we need to start the sign layer section. So let's click on this plus icon. And then under the text right here, let's first add a header. So let's add this right here. And then let's name it as FAQ. Now, once we have done that, we just need to add another text and then click on this right here. But for this one, we need to choose paragraphs. So let's choose this one and then let's just put this right here. And then in here, we need to resize it just like that. And then in here, for the FAQ page, we can use ChatGPT to generate the FAQ page. Now for this one, you can actually just edit it out however you want. And then what you have to do is to just copy this and then edit it for yourself. So let me just copy this more. And then I will just paste it in here. And then as you can see, it will be added on my FAQ page. Now what we're going to do next is just publish page and use me. And that's it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add an FAQ page to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.